Madhuji, accept our greetings on your 70th birthday. We wish you a very happy, healthy and long life. मधु जी से मेरा परिचय 1963-64 से है और उसके बाद जब मेरे बैचमेट तेजेंद्र शंकर से इनकी शादी हुई तब से पारिवारिक संबंध बनने शुरू हुए। इसके बाद फिर ये आर्मी चले गए, वहाँ पर आर्मी में ज्वाइन किया उन्होंने और मैं वहाँ पर KGMC में रह गया, अपनी मैंने मास्टर्स कोर्स किया। उसके बाद फिर वहीं पर ही फैकल्टी के अंदर भी आ गया। ये जब आर्मी को छोड़ कर के और वापस आए, इनका मन बना कि मैं डेंटल कॉलेज को खोलूँगा, तो फिर ये मेरे पास आए कि तुमको हमें ज्वाइन करना है एज ए प्रिंसिपल। मैंने कहा कि कहाँ तुम प्राइवेट कॉलेज में प्रिंसिपलशिप, क्या प्राइवेट कॉलेज खोल रहे हो और मुझे प्रिंसिपल बना रहे हो? कहनी मेरे मन है तुम ज्वाइन करो। और मुझे बाद में पता चला इसमें मधु जी का हाथ था कि RM को लेकर के एज ए प्रिंसिपल। फिर मैंने छुट्टी ली, काफ़ी दिक्कतों से छुट्टी मिली। फिर मैंने KGMC से मैं गया सरस्वती डेंटल कॉलेज को एज ए फाउंडर प्रिंसिपल ज्वाइन किया। जैसा कि हर इंस्टीट्यूट में होता है, शुरू में बहुत दिक्कतें होती हैं कॉलेज के खुलने में, और एक समय ऐसा भी आ गया था कि सरस्वती कॉलेज का शुरुआत होनी मुश्किल हो गई थी, परंतु ईश्वर की कृपा और मधु जी का परसुएशन, कर्नल PS माथुर का परसुएशन, हम लोग फिर ठीक लाइन पे आ गए और हम लोगों ने कॉलेज का निर्माण का कार्यक्रम शुरू किया। खूब तेज़ी से शुरुआत की। हम लोगों ने ये सोच करके चल रहे थे कि सरस्वती कॉलेज को हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छा और टॉप ग्रेड का बनाना है इंडिया के लिए। इसमें मधु जी का न केवल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव काम रहा, परंतु हम सबों की भी देखभाल खुद किया करती थी। हमारे चाय का, नाश्ते का, खाने का, और जब कभी भी देर हो जाती थी रात को सोने का भी इंतजाम हमारा वो क्या करती थी। बहुत ही एफेक्शन था। जो जना ऐसा काम करे तो काम करने में भी अच्छा। सरस्वती डेंटल कॉलेज को बहुत अच्छा बनाने के लिए हम लोग जी जान से कोशिश किया करते थे और मेरे में हर्षवर्धन बली में और कर्नल साहब के बीच में काफ़ी बहसी हो जाती थी, और जिसको कि मधु जी बहुत ही एमिकेबली हम लोगों को सुलझा दिया करते थे। हम लोगों का एम एक ही था कि कॉलेज को बहुत अच्छा बनाना है, तभी हमारे लोगों के पारिवारिक संबंध बहुत अच्छे बने और एक दूसरे की फैमिली को कुछ अच्छा जाना। मधु जी में एक बहुत बढ़िया क्वालिटी ये भी है कि इन्होंने अपने बच्चों के साथ रजत चरित को बहुत अच्छे संस्कार सिखाए। इन्होंने अपनी दोनों डॉटर इन लॉज को बहुत अच्छे संस्कार सिखाए। अपनी फैमिली में उन्होंने बहुत ही प्यार और मोहब्बत से रहना सिखाया। बड़ों की इज्जत करना, छोटे लोगों को प्यार देना, ये सब इनकी बहुत खासियत रही है। हम लोगों को मधु जी के और PS के जो पार्टीज थ्रो करते थे,
स्पेशली दिवाली पे करते थे वो ताश की पार्टी बहुत अच्छी होती थी।
दिवाली में ताश की पार्टी का
इंतजार करते थे हम
लोगों का इंतजार रहता था और खूब गाना बजाना, खूब लेविश खाना, ये इन लोगों का
टीम पार्टी होली पे की जो हम लोग करते थे, उसमें मधु जी की फैमिली का बहुत रोल रहता था। पूरा उसमें
हम लोग
रौनक बढ़ाती थी।
हम लोग फूलों की होली करा करते थे, थीम पार्टी करते थे,
टाइटल दिए जाते थे सबको।
हाँ, टाइटल्स भी दिए जाते थे। इसमें इन लोगों की पूरी फैमिली की भागीदारी
सहयोग होता है,
बहुत अच्छी रहती थी। हम लोग काफ़ी जो 1960 के बैच के फ्रेंड्स थे, हम लोग इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप से भी जाते थे। हम लोग साथ साउथ अफ्रीका भी गए, मसाई मारा भी गए, इजिप्ट गए, बाली भी गए। तो मधु जी लाइफ होती थी, शी वॉज ऑलवेज ए सेंटर ऑफ अट्रैक्शन। और हम लोगों की जो शाम को हम लोगों की पार्टीज होती थी, उसमें वो सबों को इनक्रेज करती थी कि गाना गाइए, एनेक्डोट सुनाइए। इस तरीके के लिए बहुत अच्छा माहौल बनाया करती थी।
सब यादें रह गई अब बस।
In the end, I must show my gratitude to faculty of Saraswati Dental College, Principal Bedi Saab, the management Charit, Rajit, and खास तौर पर मधु जी for the gesture shown to me by bestowing upon me the Lifetime Achievement Award recently. I am so ever grateful to you people that I have enjoyed that moment, and I will cherish that moment throughout my life. आखिर में पुनः एक दफ़ा आपको वर्षगांठ की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Namaskar ma'am. It is indeed a pleasure to wish you on this very special occasion of your 70th birthday. During the period of my association, I have cherished every moment of working with the institution. The way you have always taken care of the entire group of faculty, staff and students is appreciable. The unmatched grace and great affection with which you guide each and every member of Saraswati family is commendable. On behalf of the entire college, I wish you a very long, happy and healthy life, so that you can guide us to achieve greater heights in the years to come. Happy birthday once again. God bless you, ma'am.
Wish you a very happy birthday, ma'am. May all the dream comes true in your life. Ma'am, we always shared a different bond with you. You always considered me as co-brother officer's wife, guided me, supporting me in bringing up my children when my husband was in the field area. Thank you, ma'am, for the continuous guidance and support you have always given to me. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. May God bless you with all the happiness and a very long life, ma'am.
तुझे मुबारक खुशियाँ आत्मज्ञान की, तुझको हर आनंद में जाकर मिल जाना, तुझको हर आनंद में जाकर मिल जाना। सुंदर फूल एक संसार की, तू है सुंदर फूल इस संसार की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की। तुझे मुबारक खुशियाँ आत्मज्ञान की, तुझे मुबारक खुशियाँ आत्मज्ञान की।
Dear Madhu, we wish you very, very happy birthday. May God bless you, very happy, healthy, and quality life always.
Happy birthday to you.
Respected ma'am, I wish you very happy birthday. My wishes for good health, happiness and long life. Since I have joined this college all these years, you have guided me time to time and encouraged me for bright pathway of my life. Working with a phenomenal leader like you, I got success in academic field and you have made me a better professional. You have also given me opportunity to freely do many activities for the rise of our college. I am grateful to you as you have always supported me in my difficult time. Thank you for your kindness and understanding. You are a dynamic and a fabulous human being. I pay a small tribute by sharing some good memories with you, and once again I wish you a very happy birthday and a long life ahead. Thank you, ma'am.
Happy birthday to you.
Very happy birthday to you. I pray to God that you may have a very long, happy and prosperous life. We have had a very long association with you. I still remember the first birthday of your granddaughter at Charan's resorts, and I've enjoyed a lot of parties at your residence at the poolside with you as the host, and lots of songs by you and Dr. Rajat and Mr. Sharat. I still look forward to those parties. Again, a very happy birthday to you, ma'am. Thank you.
Very happy birthday to you, ma'am, and wish you many more to come. Wish you best of health, success, peace, and happiness in the days, months, and years to come. Serving under you has been a wonderful, joyful learning experience for me and has transformed me into a better person every day. A small tune for you I have for today. My best wishes, ma'am. Thank you.
हाय मधु, जन्मदिन बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। समय बीत जाता है पर अपने पीछे मीठी यादें छोड़ जाता है। ऐसा लगता है अभी कल ही की तो बात है जब हम लोग चार बाग में पकोड़े खाया करते थे और साथ में ताश खेला करते थे। ये लॉकडाउन ने तो हमारी पार्टी ही मिस करा दी, पर लेंगे जरूर।
हाय मधु, you are deprived of a lovely party, not you, the lockdown. As Leela was saying, पुराने दिन कितने अच्छे थे, क्या मौज थी, क्या मस्तियाँ की. We love to come and visit you, wish you personally, but presently our good wishes are always there with you. Happy, healthy life. May God keep you take higher and higher. It's a wonderful achievement for you and we really appreciate it. God bless you. Take care. Very, very happy birthday. That to 70th. Great achievement. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, ma'am. Wishing you pink of health, peace and happiness always. मुझे आज भी याद है when I joined this organization, I was in awe of your amazing personality and still am. Ma'am, I strongly feel that all of us who have worked closely with you have been immensely benefited, and so have I. Thank you for being part of my life. I have been truly blessed. Have a wonderful birthday, ma'am. Thank you so much.
A very happy birthday to you, Mami. You are an amazing stalwart in your own field. Your industrious loving nature keeps inspiring me every moment of life. You are such an inspirational force for all of us. We wish you a very happy, long and healthy life. Lots of love and affection.
Wish you a very happy birthday, ma'am.
We are very sure you must be having a great time with your family, and we also got the opportunity to share a few moments with you, and we have decided that Kunal will share first.
Ma'am, during the tenure of 7 years at SGC, I have always admired you as a lady with a strong character, a passionate and a disciplined person who always motivates and enlightens others. Here in this platform, I would like to quote, "You are a lady with an indomitable will. Wish you with lots of health and happiness." Sunila.
I would like to begin by saying this quote, which goes like, having someone who is a good listener is a luxury these days. And the relevance of this quote here, ma'am, you will come to know in a while. So my most memorable moment with you just happened few days back during this lockdown, when I had called you in the second week of May to update you regarding some work. And when I finished and I was about to say, have a good day, ma'am, then you said, so Sunita, how's everything going? How are kids? How are you managing? And I shared everything with you. And then you told me few things, and you asked my point of view on that. I started sharing and you were listening to me patiently. When I finished, you said in a very, very crisp and succinct way, yes, this is what life is all about. Then you added your thoughts to that, and all of a sudden I felt an enhancement in my knowledge, and I started feeling even more better. I guess somewhere I needed that during that time. So what I mean to say here, ma'am, that I had a very meaningful conversation with you. I'm already in gratitude and feel very blessed to be surrounded by people in the form of friends and family who are very knowledgeable. They have great perspective towards life. They always see towards the positive side of everything. But having someone like this at your workplace makes a huge difference in your life. And thank you so much, ma'am, for being a good listener, and thank you for being there. Have a great birthday, ma'am. Thank you.
Many, many happy returns of the day, ma'am.
बार बार दिल ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिल ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू मधु मैम, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जियो हजारों साल, है मेरी ये आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू मधु मैम, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
It's a wonderful day to celebrate life with a beautiful smile. Another year has gone by. The future looks bright. Keep all your worries aside. It's your day. I wanna sing joyful songs, and I put my heart in this little song. It's your day. I wanna sing happy songs, and I just wanna say to you, happy birthday, darling. With my heart filled with gladness, I wanna wish you happy birthday, my love. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you, my love. I wanna wish you happy birthday, my love.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you.
Jai Hind ma'am, I am Major General A.K. Nandi, Army Dental Corps veteran. I wish you a very, very happy and joyous birthday. We all, AD Corps fraternity, still remember your contribution to our army welfare. You are continuing to contribute immensely to a larger part of the society. We are all proud of you and grateful to you, ma'am. We all pray to God Almighty for your very, very long life, because your constant support, guidance, your leadership and your blessings are required by all of us. My wife Kakuli and my daughter Dr. Molly joins me in wishing you a very, very joyous and happy birthday. Namaskar and Jai Hind ma'am.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, ma'am. Ma'am, I met you way back in 2013, and during the Diwali break, I had gone back home. So I told my mother about the amazing garden that we have over here, and as she is also very fond of gardening, she gave me 2 saplings of Shetu, and she said, you plant one and you give the other one to your mom. And I had met you at that time. I had come to your chamber and giving you that sapling, and it makes me so happy to see it flourishing and giving such juicy Shehtut during spring. Another thing, ma'am, I want to add in this message is that for me you epitomize the soul of this college. Your easy availability, your easy dispersal or quick dispersal to any problem that we have, and your motherly touch. That is the things that make this college so different from any other dental college that I have ever been to. So on this note, I wish you a healthy, happy and long life, ma'am. And I wish you a very happy birthday once again.
A very good morning and loads of birthday wishes to you, Madhu ma'am. I am Dr. Shweta Mathurlal, your student from the maiden batch of Saraswati Dental College. Wish you a brighter tomorrow.
Hi, this is Dr. Chetan from the first batch of Saraswati Dental College. I want to wish Madhu ma'am a very, very, very happy birthday to you, ma'am. I also want to thank you on this day for always guiding me the right path in life. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hello, wish you a very, very, very happy birthday, Mathur ma'am. I miss you so much. I think of you, TS sir, Rajat sir, so often. Today, whatever I am, much of myself I owe to you. All the little things about life that you had taught me during my stay with you in the hostel in Lucknow. I grew up to what I am, standing in front of you, wishing you today after almost 20 years. Thank you very much, very, very much for everything that you have done for me. I really miss you. I really love you. Mera pranam lijiyega. Thank you.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Madhu ma'am. Thank you for coming into our lives the way you did and touching us the way you did, because you made us what we are today. And in a very humble way, I want to wish you a lot of good health and happiness. Happy birthday. Thank you.